Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, July 6th, and I'm very excited to share that our Shadow Boxes kit is back in stock. So this is the original quilt. I showed it to you guys about a month or two ago, and all of the kits sold out super fast. So we have more fabric in, and now we can make more kits. This is an easy quilt that can be put together quickly, 25 blocks that include the background, no stashing required. And the exciting prints from the Color Collage collection by Northcott make it fun to search for images like an I Spy book. The kit includes almost 7 yards of fabric for the quilt top and binding, and it also includes the pattern, which is by Ladybug Designs. We do have 6 of these kits in stock, so if you like it, don't delay because I'm not sure how long we'll be able to re-get that fabric. Next up, we have another fun collection for you, full of color. This is called the Artist's Desk. Splattered with paint and scattered with brushes, tubes of paint, and more, an artist's desk is a peek inside a creative mind. These vivid prints by Lars Stewart will be perfect for a quilt or totes or more to carry all of your art supplies. And this is by Robert Kaufman. When I saw this, I immediately wanted to make a couple of By Annie bags to carry some of my supplies back and forth to class and retreats and things like that. I think I'm going to use this piece, and I'll show you the patterns I'm considering after we get through the last 2 bolts here. That one's really fun. I like how dark it is because you still get the color in the background, but it plays dark. That's kind of neat. And then we have the same piece on a light background. And I thought it would be fun to either do the bottled up because you could easily put your pens and pencils and supplies in there, or the catch-all caddy because you can put pretty much everything in there. So something will get made by these things by me at some point. Not sure exactly when, but it will happen. I hope you guys have a great afternoon. As you probably know already, all of this is available online and in the shop all the time. If you're watching us on YouTube and you'd like to subscribe, all of these great videos will pop right into your email every day, so you don't have to remember to come and find us. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.